Do you hate falling into holes? What about driving into walls? If so, this video is for you. Here's how to make a working airplane. Make a long motorcycle shape with good wheels and carbon fiber. Add a carbon fiber seat facing backwards, then add wing supports on the sides. Now get every engine and gas tank that you have. Attach them to the wheel at the back. Now that you have made your airplane, let's take flight.
Down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. Whoa, you've hid your fury and kept it in. But it's time now.
Hold
You
your place.
ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire burn.
Watch more of my videos and have a good day.